Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to register for a CRA account for the first time. So the first thing that we're going to do here is open your Chrome browser and type in CRA login. Then tap the first link that says canada.ca. And then once you're on the page, scroll down and tap register for CRA account. And now you'll see three options to register: sign in partner, CRA user ID and password, and provincial partner. It's totally up to you which one you choose, but for this video I'll go with CRA user ID and password. So on the next page you'll need to enter your social insurance number, date of birth, and tax information. And once you've filled out everything, tap next. Now I can go beyond this point because I don't have a social insurance number, but I'll walk you through what happens next. You'll be asked to create a user ID and password, and after that you'll need to set up 5 security questions and answers. Make sure that you save this and along with your user ID and password. And once you've completed all of that, you're done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.